Hey guys, Anime Guys, you're here, and today is the unboxing review of the new Kamen Rider build DX build driver and full bottle holder. Before I get started, let me introduce you guys to the new Kamen Rider, which his name is Kamen Rider build. As Kamen Rider XA has gone, so Kamen Rider build is here, and I actually love this Kamen Rider. He actually has, the theme is construction, which is like building toys, but instead of toys, but instead of toys, it's like combining two elements together, like organic or inorganic. So here's the unboxing, which here is the front. We see our new hero, Kamen Rider build, with his main form, and behind him is the other form that he used. In front of the box, we have the build driver with the full bottle holder. Left side, Kamen Rider build. Here's the back, which first panel we see how the build driver works. Second panel is how the final attack begins. Third and fourth is how the switch forms and how the full bottle holder works. And we see the top, lever, gear, full bottle holder, and build. And right here we see the full bottles, which are Rabbit, Tank, Cleaner, which I think is called Sweeper. And the right side, let me zoom out. Here is the right side. We see build his main form, and without further ado, let's do the unboxing. And here it is, the build driver with the full bottle holder and the new collectible gimmicks, the full bottles right here. And now I'm going to show you what the full bottles look like right here. They're very small. And the first one I'm holding right now is the Rabbit full bottle, which is the organic, meaning that it has the organic DNA of every living being, such as lion, animals, or humans. Here it is right here, barcode, and it is red, which is see here the logo, but you can trace the top and lock it into place. And here is the tank, which is the inorganic, which is the organic liquefied, this is the liquefied DNA of machines or inanimate objects, which is blue, barcode again, logo. And now with the full bottle holder, we have the Sweeper full bottle, another inorganic bottle, barcode. It has green. And here's the thing, you can see that inside there are like blocks that you can shake them up like this. And you can also use these to put with the full bottle holder, which it goes right here on the build driver belt, and we can put the full bottles in like so. We have Rabbit, sorry, tank, and sweeper right here. Now I will take this off. Let me take the belt part off and show you guys the driver right now, and we'll see how it works. And here we go. I've already put 3 AAA batteries in the Fullbottle. The build driver. So here, let me turn it on. White light come on, and if we turn the lever right here, it does nothing. So let's hinge in. Let me first shake up the bottles. And here is his prime form. Here we go. Let's put in the rabbit first. And it'll select what's the best match for his forms. Let's hinge it. It'll show what form it'll do once they create the best matches for each Fullbottles. And here is the final attack. And it'll say Vortex finish, which it'll use its main kick for this form. And first it say, "Are you ready?" which I should have said earlier. And let's take tank out for a minute, and let's put in sweeper. Shake it up, and it'll say Sojiki. No matches. Here we go.
Are you ready?
And it does nothing. But once I find a good match for Sweeper, I can actually show you the modes for it. So I'll probably show you guys it. But here's the final attack. And it'll say Vortex attack, but even though it's not the best match for this combination. And there you have it. And I love this toy, and I love this new Kamen Rider. I can't wait to see more of the episodes of it and do more unboxing review of more toys of it, which there are more best match modes that I can't wait to do them. So anyway, like this video, subscribe for more, and comment what you think about this unboxing review. You guys can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, and like my Facebook page. Until then, this is Anime Guys right here saying signing out. Laters!